He's peeing.
Oh.
Not even sure if he got enough. It's March the 12th, and look what we have here. It's hard to believe, but it was 63 degrees yesterday, and last night it was so warm that Jeremy wore shorts outside and didn't even get cold. We gotta go check all the goats and all the little stuff over here in the pasture, make sure everybody's okay and ain't froze to death. Well, we just got back in from checking the goats, and turns out somebody was freezing to death, so we had to hurry and get the baby. This is Wendy's baby. She had a surprise baby, and she's not a very good mother, but she wasn't taking good care of it, and I'm glad we went up there when we did. So we got the baby and rushed him back down here. I didn't record any of it because I was hurrying because I didn't want him to die. We took the hairdryer to him. His little ears was froze to his back. He was so cold. But we got the hairdryers to him, got him dried off, and then we put him in a Ziploc bag and stuck him down in some hot sink water to help get him warmed up some more. And we give him some warm honey water. And now we've got him wrapped up in a heating pad, and he's finishing warming up. So we're hoping he makes it. We figured Wendy was bred, but we didn't know she was that far along. People say goats can hide their pregnancies really well, and Wendy sure did. He finally stood up. He's feeling a lot better. He's wagging his tail.
Your butt's in the way.
He's peeing.
Oh.
Go get a rag. Here, there's your rag right there. Jeremy and I have decided that this little baby's going to stay inside with us until the weather warms back up a little bit, because it's supposed to be 8 degrees outside tonight. So our plans are going to milk his mom and get what we can out of her, because we're not even sure if he got enough colostrum or enough nutrients from his mom. And we're going to try to bottle feed him, or maybe syringe feed him. Well, as you see, we had a change of plans. Me and Jeremy decided it would probably be best if we brought Wendy down here to see if the baby could suck, since he's doing so good. And from the looks of it, he's getting with it. And I don't think Wendy minded coming in